Hello everyone. This is my capstone project Beauty Attraction which I have completed during Tech Saksam program. So here I am giving a brief demonstration of this project. So first we see the designing part, then I move forward to backend part. So here is the home page of my website. In home page I am adding a form where customer book an appointment. As you can see here, by adding a name, adding an email address, then select a service, then select a date, then select a timing, then add a phone number. Then by clicking a make an appointment, use a customer redirect to this page, and this page says thanks for applying and gives a appointment number to customer. So here is a service page. In service page I am adding all the detail of services which is provided by beauty parlor with price, so customer can easily see the prices of services. Then here is the about us section. In about us section I am adding a little bit description about a website uh, which beauty parlor is provided. So here is description. Then here is the contact information of a beauty parlor, where give a address of beauty parlor, contact number, email address and timing of the beauty parlor. Then here is the admin page. In admin page, admin can log in by username and password. So here is the admin panel of admin which accessed by admin. Here is the dashboard. Here the services. Here page, appointment, add customer, customer list, report, invoice, search appointment, search invoice. This all are generated by admin. So here the services. This all are connected to a database. So as admin can select services name and cost which is updated on a home page. So here I am adding. So service has been added. So service, then here the page, here the appointment, where all, here you can see all appointment which is booked previously. Then new appointment, here is a accepted appointment, here is a rejected appointment. So here is the add customer. This page is also connected to the database. So here I am adding new customer email ID, customer phone number and customer gender. Then I am adding just for demonstration description, and here I am adding add. So this page is redirect, and this detail is stored in database, and this says customer has been added. This is fully functional project. And there is a report generating by admin. So by date wise sales report is generated by admin, and here is the invoice. So admin can view invoice of the customer. Then here the search appointment, by adding appointment number admin can search appointment whichever booked by customer. Then here the search invoice. Then I am also adding a notification button. So any customer is book any appointment, then admin can see here by occurring a notification. So I am adding just for in information. So here the test, by profile admin can generate new admin name, admin user and email address, and update the database. So here is the logout function. By clicking on a logout, this page is redirect to login page. By here we can back to home to main website. This is the main website by redirecting the page. This is all about my side. Thank you.